We are going grocery shopping tomorrow. Let's plan what we're gonna eat together. I've lost over 75 pounds using a GLP-1, and one of the hardest things that I find is trying to figure out what to eat. I went from eating fast food almost every single day to eating it maybe once or twice per week, not every day. I still eat fast food. I still eat out just because it's fast, convenient, and I am busy all the time. But I've tried to eat more and more at home every single week during this journey of mine to becoming the best version of myself. I still get a lot of kickback because of what I eat. I tend to eat like a child. I like very kid style food, but I am going to try to start bringing in a little bit more vegetables within my menu. That's what we're really gonna focus on this week. I keep seeing these green beans in the air fryer recipe, and I wanna try them so much. So the first thing that we're gonna absolutely add to our list is a bag of green beans. They look delicious, and it's an easy way to add vegetables into my week. She takes a bag of green beans, put some olive oil on them, put some seasoning, which I would just use garlic salts, and then just air fries them in her Breville, which I also have a Breville. I'm gonna completely copy her recipe and try them out. I do like green beans. It's one of the vegetables that I absolutely do like. I'm just very picky with the texture of them. Green beans on the list. We're also gonna grab a couple salad kits. Salad kits are very popular for me because they're easy. They're already done for you. I can just open them up, mix everything together, and put it on my plate. That way we get the green beans and the salad kits, and we're adding in the vegetables throughout the week. But the main dish is still going to be processed and easy to cook. This is how I plan my menu, and it does have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It has a daily slot on here, but a lot of the times I'll switch things up. So if I say I'm gonna have something on Monday and I don't want it, and I want Thursdays, then I'll just have Thursdays, and I'll know that I have Mondays for another day. The goal here is to plan 7 meals that I can change out throughout the week and eat whenever I feel like it. I'm just gonna add my staples. And every single Tuesday we have tacos. So on Tuesday, I am gonna put Taco Tuesday. And in order to have tacos, we will need our ground beef. I need shredded cheese. We are out. I have sour cream in the fridge, so I don't need sour cream. We need salsa. My husband likes salsa on his tacos. And then he tends to like lettuce on his. I don't like lettuce in my tacos at all, but I do like tomatoes, so that's how I'll get my vegetables in with my tacos. I don't know how to spell tomatoes. Is there an E? Is there not an E? I don't know. Okay, so that's what we'll have. That's Tuesdays, and that's all we need. We have our taco seasoning. I still have plenty of it. I use the McCormick taco seasoning, the best taco seasoning ever. So that's already there. Another staple that we have is French bread pizza. And for that, I get the little Italian, and for that, I get these little Texas toast, and then I just put marinara, pepperoni, and cheese on top, and that's what I eat. I'll tend to have 2 of those. 1 slice is 150 calories, so 2 slices, 300 calories, plus the marinara, cheese, and pepperoni. And I could probably get away with only having 1 and some green beans, and that would fill me up. Not super high protein, but a solid, decent, low calorie, easy dinner idea. So French bread pizza, we are going to need some pepperoni. We're gonna need some pizza sauce, and then of course the Texas toast. And then I have cheese in the shredded cheese bag from Taco Night, so I don't need to add more cheese. Another one, I also have this little cheat sheet here, because this is kind of what we ate last week. So I'm gonna pull from here as well. I also love Winco's sandwiches. They have like pre-made little slider sandwiches with turkey and cheese and ham and stuff like that. So we always put that here, and I just call those Winco sandwiches. And that's pre-made. It already comes completely made. It comes in a pan with 12 little Hawaiian rolls with the meat and the cheese already in it. So I don't have to add anything or buy anything extra. It's already pre-made. It even has like a little bit of butter on the top with some garlic salt. So you just literally cook it. It's the easiest dinner ever. I tend to use that on a day where I wanted to stop in for fast food, but I don't. And I eat at home instead. So it's like a good replacement for fast food. Easy peasy. I can have a salad kit with that if I want to add in some vegetables. I am going to put a frozen pizza night on here. Another night where I just don't want to eat anything and it's just an easy throw pizza in the oven and have 2 slices of that frozen pizza. So we'll make sure we put a frozen pizza. Oh, another one that we've been enjoying a lot is tostadas. Tostadas with shredded chicken. And for this, we just get a shredded chicken already shredded, like something that's in the grocery fridge area that already, like they took a rotisserie chicken and they shredded it for us. And so it's already shredded and super easy and pre-cooked. So I'll need that shredded chicken. And then I had mine with this barbecue sauce. I want to show you. I actually saw this on TikTok and then I ordered it on Amazon. It's by Taste Flavor Company and it only has 10 calories per serving. So it's like super low calorie, 10 calories for 2 tablespoons, keto friendly, low calorie, and it's delicious. No sugar added, gluten-free, vegan friendly, delicious cherry smoked barbecue. You definitely have to check this out. It's on Amazon. I didn't expect it to taste so good, but I put this and some ranch on top of the shredded chicken and on top of the tostada shell, and it was so delicious. So the only thing we need for that is the shredded chicken and the tostadas shells. And we can actually probably have the chicken 2 nights if we wanted to. And I honestly feel like that's one of the healthier options in this whole thing because it's just shredded chicken and a tostada. Super easy. We do always grab taquitos when we go. Very processed, I know, but we like them. And then that just leaves me with Saturday and Sundays. That covers my week, Monday through Friday after work, dinners. And then we just have Saturday and Sundays. On Saturdays and Sundays, we tend to just eat whatever's left in the fridge. So if we have something that's left over, we'll grab that or we'll order food. The only time we order food though is on the weekends. We don't typically order during the week anymore because we have a solid plan and we know what we're eating. The only time we would order during the week is if we like ran out of time for some reason and we can't eat at home. But that's not usual, not anymore. I just want to see if there's anything else that I didn't leave. Something else that I do want to add to this list is edamame. I want to grab some edamame because it is super healthy. It has added protein and it's a vegetable, which you know I'm trying to add more vegetables into my day. This menu is a huge improvement from what I used to eat. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about making small changes in the right direction. We're gonna eat a little bit more healthy every single week, every single year, adding in a little bit more vegetables, things that are easy to make but also healthy for you. But the processed foods probably are never going away just because I need easy. But this is food that I can eat. It's not gonna cause me to gain weight. It's gonna help me lose weight. It's gonna keep me on the right track. And it's small, sustainable changes. You're not all going to agree with what I'm eating or how I'm fueling my body, and that is okay. You can decide how you wanna fuel your body. This is how I'm gonna fuel mine. And if you don't like it, that's okay. I'm also extremely picky. I don't like a lot of textures. So when I'm looking at those vegetables, it's really just those green beans, tomatoes, and lettuce that I can really eat. I don't like a lot of different types of food. I don't know how to cook either. All right, so this is what we have right now. It looks like this. And then Saturday and Sunday would just be leftovers. And if you're wondering what I have for lunch, that's a whole other story. But it is stuff at home. It's not eating out. Hopefully this has given you some ideas of what I've eaten or how I'm eating to continue my weight loss journey, to get myself to my goal weight. This is what a week of dinners is going to look like for me. All right, I will see you in my next video. Go ahead and watch my weekly weigh-in or one of these other videos that pop up on the screen right now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.